We didn't know what was coming. We just knew we'd never be the same. We didn't hear the sirens. By the time we got home, there was no warning at all.
Is there anyone on the ground?
The power was already out. The sky looked wrong. Our neighbor screamed, "There's one on the ground. It's coming." That's the only way we
That's a
knew.
tornado.
Some on the ground right there.
Where?
Right here.
This thing wasn't just
No,
a
I'm not going
tornado.
in. I can't go in.
It was a mile wide,
This way.
EF5. Winds over 200 miles per hour.
See right there. Look at the air. Right here.
It tore through a third of our city in 38 minutes, flattening homes, a hospital, schools, everything.
Look.
Come here. Right this way.
$2.8 billion in damage, over 15,000 vehicles gone. It's still the costliest tornado in U.S. history. Some say the sirens went off 20 minutes before, but by the time we were home, there was nothing.
Oh my God, it just missed us. It just missed us. Oh,
Look at all this.
oh my God.
Oh my God, the school's gone. It hit that.
Oh.
Look at it, Dillis is gone. It came this way.
My husband and I, with two strangers, rescued a man from the second story of a collapsed home. His wife was screaming. He was pinned under a bathroom sink. No help had come yet. We were it.
We just went up the stairs, kind of like right there. I got up. Trees. They took the bark right off tree.
158 people died. 1,150 were injured. Over 9,000 were left homeless. And still, the sirens are silent.